Welcome back to the pack, guys. In this video we're going to talk about chain hoisted commercial doors. So why would you consider a chain hoisted commercial door? Basically, there's no latches on the outside. You access these doors from the inside, and so if you had the latches on the outside, you would have to lock it with a padlock, typical to like a storage buildings. But in this case, this door, we're going to be opening it from the inside. These doors come standard for our buildings when you have a door that is wider or taller than 10 feet, okay? Now, because you can't access it from here, what you need to do is we do need to have a walk-in door, okay? A service door for you to come in and be able to roll this door up, which we're about to show you guys. And again, this is just a steel door. It is just made out of a steel sheet. And then come check this out. This is how we're gonna open this door. Now, a lot of customers do ask, okay? They do ask about if these have an automatic openers. It's not something that comes that we actually recommend or that we offer. However, we have seen it be placed, but that is from a third party, okay? Not with us. You notice right now we did have the chain close to where you walk in from your service door, and you just unlock it here, and then depending the tension, it can actually be adjusted according to you, okay? So you can let the installer know, and it's very important that you're on site when the building is completed, because that can be adjusted at that moment. Test your door, see what type of tension you like, and that's basically how a chain hoisted door works. There is a latch which you can lock it out here, and then over there, so you can lock it as well, okay? Now, if you wanted to check out more of the doors that are not chain hoisted, there is another video. Check it out. We're gonna have a link in the card above, or in the link above, and in the description, so you can check out doors that are 10 by 10s or smaller. And those have the latches on the outside, and you can see how those work. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, as well as don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.